Man, the cats at round two just keep coming out with the good stuff. Check out this 71 Dodge Demon. I'm going to show you everything about it because it is due out in December, and I do not want you to miss getting this kit. Who knows how long it's going to be on the shelf, because I know everyone I know is wanting at least two or three or four. I'm going to get a couple myself. And they're saying you can build it two ways, drag version or stock. This is obviously the stock version with the hood scoops, spoiler. Oh, this is a nice kit. I have been waiting for this thing for probably 30 years. I've never come across a used one that's inexpensive. Now I've got a chance to get a brand new one with new decals and new tooling for a normal price instead of $300, $400, $500. Round two, I want to thank you for putting this out. I can't wait to get my hands on it. Oh, this is going to be a great kit. Let me know down below if you plan on getting one.